take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew, and in this video we have MSI GE70 or something that is left from this laptop. So I bought this laptop without the entire upper part. At first I think to rebuild this machine, but later when I do detailed look I found that entire bottom case is barely kept in one part. When I start with testing, I found that the motherboard is good, and as well some other parts like 4GB of RAM, Wi-Fi, speakers, and the trackpad. But the keyboard, the disc, and anything other are not really functional. The case may looks good, but thanks to the super glue. So, because rebuilding this machine will be too expensive, we're gonna do something different. And let's start with disassembling. And a few words about this laptop. I got this laptop from a nearby office, where I know a few people there. They clean their old stuff. I pick up this laptop, some other tech, and some other things. Generally, everything is kind of trashy, but always doesn't mean like that. So, we're gonna try to make something good from all of that. And the disassembling is complete. Now I will move to cleaning some parts that we need. And as well, I'm gonna check the same parts in case if I need to make some additional repairs or change something. Now I took the palm rest, and from here I took out the metal keyboard holder. After I finish with cleaning, all the parts are good and in a good condition, and nothing requests additional repairs. Well, and let's see what we have to build this computer. We have this acrylic panel, which I took from a broken 19-inch desktop monitor. Actually, desktop monitors and as well the laptop displays have some of these acrylic panels. In the desktop monitors are thicker and in the laptop monitors are thinner. And also, we have some other stuff that I pick up with this laptop. So here we have a few document baskets. We have some LEDs, and we have this artificial plant. Also we have one timber from a pallet, but this I already have it. Now I move to more detailed planning. I have a couple of ideas, but I've decided to make something unusual and maybe weird. After I finish with planning and marking, I move to cut the acrylic. To cut acrylic, I use a jigsaw, and here I must say that cutting is going very slow, because the acrylic is constantly melting. Except for the acrylic, I cut the metal panel that I took from the case, but here I used a Dremel tool and with a thicker cutting discs for metal. And I cut the pallet timber into smaller parts. After I prepare the basic stuff, I move to stick the wooden pieces around the acrylic panel. When the glue gets dry, I create some additional holes for the cables. And as finished, I paint the timber because of protection and because of better look. Now, again, I cross over one more taping process. After I finish with the taping, using a gray and white spray, I paint the acrylic panel, but I create something to look like concrete. When the paint gets dry, I took the metal panel and using glue and small screws, I fix it over the acrylic. The next is, I took these small glass clamps and I stick it from the both sides around. The clamps are adjustable and these clamps will serve as a side panel holders. And the both side panels I made it from the document baskets. But before I mount these baskets, I took the black spray and I paint the boat. And in general, the computer is ready for assembling. Before I place the side panel, let's do some upgrades. And the first upgrade is the CPU. Instead of Intel i5, I will go with Intel i7 3632. This is 4 cores and 8-thread CPU, running at 2.2 GHz, and it's a good step up for this machine. The next upgrade is the RAM, so here I've decided to go with 16 GB in total. And the last upgrade is the disk. Instead of using a usual hard disk, I will go with 1 TB Samsung 870 EVO. After I have done all the upgrades, I mount the side panel. Now, using the artificial plant and the LEDs, I have done a small decorations. Before I continue with anything, I start the computer because of testing. But here I faced with one problem. One of the RAM slots isn't working, and unfortunately, this computer will work with 8GB of RAM only. But still not bad at all. Successfully, I was able to install the Windows 10, and everything is working just fine. And after we make all these changes, this is the final result.
I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want. It's just an illusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that.
Well, let's take a closer look. Maybe this is not something new and very powerful machine, but still, this computer is very good for basic daily tasks. It's great for surfing the web, watching videos, I was able to play a 4K videos. Also it's great for other things, and the most surprising for me are the speakers. All 4 speakers are perfectly fine and provide clean and loud audio. And the last thing are the games. Yes, it's possible to play many games on this computer. I test GTA 5 using a normal settings and a full HD resolution, and the game is running pretty fine and with a frame rate between 30 and 60. Also, the temperatures all the time are very cool. The document basket has done a great job as a side panel. The hardware is still protected and the fresh air is coming from all sides around.
Just confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take.
Well, and this is all about this laptop transformation. I made this video because I want to show that if something is broken and old, doesn't mean it's useless and doesn't need to finish to some landfill.
I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video will give ideas and inspiration to repair, mod and back something in function again. Also, if you want to support my channel and my work, you can press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang with my